Hi gorgeous ladies, welcome back to our style journey. Today I'm gonna share with you some awesome and beautiful solid color skater dress designs ideas for girls. So in this video you will find the most stylish and most beautiful skater dresses for this winter season. So I hope you're really going to love this beautiful collection for this winter season. You will find the most stylish and most beautiful dresses. So I must suggest you guys that if you're loving these designs, if you want to watch more designs like this, so just watch the video till the end and don't skip the video from anywhere else, otherwise you will skip the most beautiful designs I have just added in this video. You will find the office wear skater dresses, you will find the skater dresses suitable for outing and for party wear as well. I hope you will really like these dress designs ideas in solid color. If you love to wear solid colors, so this video is really for you. So I must suggest you guys that for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. And my dear viewers, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you're loving these beautiful dresses, so please do like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are my useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.